In this video, I'll show you how to correctly change Gmail from personal to business in 2026. First, it's important to know that you can't directly convert a personal Gmail account into a business Gmail account. Instead, you'll need to create a Google Workspace account and use a custom domain for your business email. To get started, visit the Google Workspace website and click Get Started. You'll be asked a few questions about your business, such as your business name, the number of employees, and your location. Fill in the required information and continue. Next, choose whether you already have a domain name or need to purchase one. If you already own a domain, select the option to use your existing domain. If you don't have one yet, Google can help you register a new domain during the setup process. After that, enter your contact information and create your new business email address. This is usually something like yourname@yourbusiness.com, mailtoyourname@yourbusiness.com, instead of a standard Gmail address. Now, create a password for the account and continue through the setup process. Google will then ask you to verify ownership of your domain. Follow the instructions provided on the screen. Depending on where your domain is registered, this may involve adding a verification record to your domain settings. Once your domain is verified, return to Google Workspace and complete the remaining setup steps. Google may also guide you through updating your domain's email settings so that messages are delivered to your new business inbox. Next, if you want to keep your existing emails, contacts, and calendar data from your personal Gmail account, sign into both accounts and use Google's migration tools or import features to transfer your information. After that, test your new business email by sending and receiving a few messages. Make sure everything is working correctly and that emails are arriving in your new inbox. Now, update your business website, social media profiles, marketing materials, and any other places where your old personal email address is listed. This ensures customers and clients can contact you using your new professional email address. Finally, start using your new Google Workspace account for all business communications and keep your personal Gmail account separate for personal use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to correctly change Gmail from personal to business in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.